Why do nice girls fall for bad boys? Have you counted how many Chinese dramas you have watched that made you suffer from that bad boy syndrome? They are usually so handsome, tough, misunderstood loners, and sometimes these bad boys can give up total anti-hero vibes. But we still can't seem to get enough of them. Here's a list of 15 dramas where bad guy falls for good girl in Chinese dramas.
Number 1. Meteor Garden. Shankai is an 18-year-old girl from a family that's barely able to make ends meet. Due to a turn of events, she gets accepted into a school that only accepts the upper-class elites. She immediately clashes with her classmates, especially Dao Mingxi, who is spoiled, arrogant, and a bully. She remains defiant even after becoming a target of a series of pranks intended to torment her. And just when she is about to give up, Hua Zeli always seems to show up to lend her a helping hand. Eventually, the four boys begin to acknowledge Shankai's unyielding personality that is like her namesake, which is that of a weed that can never be brought down. She also begins to see the good in the boys, which paves the way for friendships and an eventual romance.
This series is very exciting. Who would miss the most arrogant face, cool walking, coolest face expression, coolest talking, and that bad boy and fashionable look? Dao Mingxi. Moreover, the great cinematography and amazing soundtrack intensifies the mood while creatively capturing the dynamic visualization of the story. This drama is worth a watch. Though not my favorite version, but the plot has too many merits to miss.
Number 2. Gank Your Heart. Zi Xiang-kong had the reputation, the good looks, and the hordes of fangirls. Chu Ying meets him during an international competition and jumps at the chance to boost her own popularity, oblivious to the fact that his reputation in the world of esports is strangely tarnished. Instead of helping her, the association hurt her even more. The experience turns out to be a blessing in disguise as Chu Ying finds her calling. By chance, she discovers that Zi Xiang-kong is actually a misunderstood genius.
One of the best dramas in terms of modern romance, storytelling, character growth, and team spirit. The pacing is great, the story flows effortlessly, and the gaming scenes have you gripping to the edge of your seat. The cast and characters were all lovable, and the drama felt realistic.
Number 3. The Brightest Star in the Sky. Star Entertainment is the top entertainment agency in China. It was set up by a couple, Cheng Tianhao and Du Wangqing, who eventually separated due to different beliefs in managing the company. Yang Zhenzhen is an aspiring young girl with a passion for music. She joined Starry Sky Entertainment and was assigned as Zheng Boxu's assistant. Boxu is a popular idol who is arrogant and unruly. With the help of Zhenzhen, who helped him correct his flaws and unleash his potential, Boxu slowly transforms into a talented singer. In the process, Zhenzhen also gains experience and becomes a capable idol manager. At the same time, Du Wangqing is also grooming a singer, Yu Zirui, who shapes up to become Boxu's biggest competitor yet.
If you're looking for adorable romance and cute comedy, this will definitely fulfill your needs. It has everything from love triangles to the arrogant boy who is actually very kind-hearted and ends up falling for the girl he'd expect not to, and the amazing friendships built within this show. Zi Tao and Janice have really done an amazing job in reflecting their emotions, which makes this drama more of a masterpiece.
Number 4. Love Me If You Dare. Getting inside the head of a violent criminal is not easy, but Simon Bojinian, a brilliant criminal psychologist, has the ability to get into the minds of even the most mysterious and violent criminals. He was a professor at the University of Maryland and works as an analyst and advisor on the police department's most violent or difficult cases. With the help of his young assistant, Jenny Jian Yao, Simon delves into the thoughts and intentions of the criminal minds. As the daughter of a veteran police investigator with a deep sense of justice, can Jenny help Simon open up emotionally as they work together to solve the crime?
This was my first Wallace Wu drama. Love it when he plays cool and cold. Really great chemistry between Wallace Wu and the female lead Sandra Ma. This is a must-watch for every crime drama fan. Very professional, high-quality writing. Just as you would have decided you have conclusion, how a scene is going to end, writers make it a turn. You enjoy crime dramas with mysterious and exciting cases, adorable characters and a little bit of romance. This is totally made for you.
Number 5. The Romance of Tiger and Rose. Chen Xiao Chan is a scriptwriter who has been single since birth, wrote a female-centric drama but accidentally entered her own script, where she became the third princess of Dongliang Women's Country, a minor supporting character who would be killed anytime. Thus begins her journey of survival, where she meets two guys, an unpredictable rich young master named Han Shuo and a perfect guy who is the Minister of Education named Pei Heng.
This is a sweet fantasy romance that is going to entertain you. The lead female actress did really well in portraying a youthful, innocent, adaptable and a witty heroine. The chemistry between the leads is good. If you're looking for something sweet and funny, this drama is perfect for you, including a refreshing setup, a hilarious and engaging storyline and enduring characters.
Number 6. Arsenal Military Academy. About a military academy for boys only, but a girl named Xixian joins the academy instead of her brother while pretending to be a boy to make his dream come true. Two men become the object of affection in her life as they engage in many battles to uncover a big conspiracy. Number 7. Poisoned Love. The story revolves a dubbing genius Fang Yan, who suffers from sleepwalking due to a trauma, and a film producer, Shi Meng. Shi Meng helps Fang Yan walk out of her traumatic experience, but Fang Yan believes that his brother Shi Yi was the one who helped her. The three of them grow through misunderstandings as the knots in their hearts loosen. Number 8. Cambrian Period. The story revolves around the dark and mysterious forces on an island, and the heroine who accidentally gets involved in the complex struggle on the island after settling on the island. Thus begins a romantic thriller, sadness and a joy of a new adventure. Number 9. Princess Agents. The story takes place during the chaotic times of Wei, where innocent citizens are often kidnapped and turned into slaves. Slave girl Chu Xiao was thrown into a forest along with other slaves and becomes the next hunting target for the rich lords. She is saved by the prince of Yanbei, Yang Shun. Afterward, she is brought into powerful family of Yu Wen and witnesses their bloody power struggle. Number 10. Dragon Day, You Are Dead. The play mainly tells the story of Zhang Jingmei, a top student, and the love story of Long Riyi, a school devil. Zhang Jingmei is a typical hostess in youth school literature. Long Riyi is an out-and-out campus devil. When the devil met drama, a series of funny romantic stories started. Number 11. Dear Mayang Street. Mayang Street in Guangzhou, early 1980s, Ou Xiajian, who grew up here, dropped out of the police school and became a gangster on the street. Ma Xiao Xiao, who grew up with him here, couldn't understand his change. They had a fight about it, and it was seen by Yi Dongdong, who had a crush on Ma Xiao Xiao. Yi Dongdong had just moved here with his family and quickly became friends with a bunch of guys on the street who had similar age as him. A whirl of things gradually got him connected to Ma Xiao Xiao and Ou Xiao Jian as well. The story is about their wild youthful years on the Mayang Street. Number 12. Master Devil Do Not Kiss Me. A bizarre twist of fate throws impoverished Tearway milk delivery girl Chua Xia together with an unlikely Prince Charming, ruthless know-it-all business heir Han Chi Lu, known to his schoolmates as the Master Devil. Number 13. Walk into your memory. A chef's assistant helps her boss regain 1 year's worth of memories. Throughout the process, they come to understand, help, and love each other. An Ning is a chef who can see other people's memories. When her boss, Long Hao Chan, mysteriously loses memories from 1 year of his life, she starts to help him find the missing pieces. Initially, at odds with each other, a series of amusing events bring them closer together. Number 14. Goodbye, my princess. Xiao Feng is the beloved princess of Western Liang when she is arranged to marry the crown prince of Li Chengyin. Loved by her people immensely, she sets off on a journey, leaving the place she loves to become the crown princess. As Xiao Feng and Li Chengyin's lives intersect, they must overcome the deadly power play of politics and discover the mysterious events unraveling memories that were originally meant to be kept hidden. Number 15. Cruel Romance. It tells the story of Rong Xinsu, a country girl who travels to Shanghai in order to discover why her entire family was killed. Along the way, she meets triad leader Zhuo Zhen, and after a series of accidents and misunderstandings, the two fall in love. Also vying for Xinsu's attention is businessman Xiang Yingdong, a businessman and a close friend of Zhuo Zhen. Ever protective of his woman, however, Zhuo Zhen refuses to let other men even come close to Xinsu, which ultimately pays off when a villainous Japanese man tries to finish off Xinsu and her remaining family members.
So, which is your favorite bad boy in Chinese drama? Please let us know in the comments down below. Also, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.